Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Costco Weekly. If this is your first time here, my name is Leigh. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, spam us with some hearts, make some comments, and interact with us. Today I'm going to see if Costco has any new items in stock for spring. I mainly target garden items since we are a garden channel, but we also add a little bit of lifestyle. So today's first order of business is I'll have to run in and return a few things, and I'll show you what it is that I'm taking in with me. So I'm a big fan of finding items on sale, and these were on sale for $5, and these were on sale for $6. But there's some things that are just not worth buying. And these things fit so terribly. They are such terrible quality. I can't even justify paying $5 for them. So I'm going to go ahead and return them, and then we'll see what items they have on sale. I think this is a new item, patio cooler. Not the work gloves that I've been waiting for, but being that they're on sale, I don't know. Here's another type. Oh, Yankee candles. 6-pack for $19.99. They are tiny, but ooh, sage and citrus is always nice. Macintosh, coconut beach, amber and sandalwood, pink sands. This is a nice pot. You know it won't crack. It's a little pricey, but it's nice. That's a new item. Oh, that's kind of cool. A nice folding picnic table. Deck tiles. I guess these things are good for putting a grill on, or to show it as like padding for furniture. So this bench here, the price dropped, but I still don't recommend it. And somebody made a comment and said they questioned my comment about whether or not it was a ½ inch, and they said they highly doubt it was a ½ inch. Look, I can stick my finger down in here. You can call it a ½ inch, you can call it a ½ inch. I call it a place for all of your potting soil to leak out. So again, I still put a big red X on this thing. Don't buy it. This is a pretty item. Seems like it's a pretty sturdy material. Alright guys, look what I found. For $79.99 for you guys with the greenhouse. This is an indoor safe portable radiant heat run by propane. So, it heats up to 225 square feet. It's lightweight. You can lift it with one hand. It has a long hose to get to your propane heater. So I guess the deal is you just leave your grill propane, you know, the type of propane heater you use for your grill, and you can hook this up through that, I think. And then you just leave the main tank outside, and then you put this, something like this, into the greenhouse. For $80, oh, I don't know, you guys. I might need to talk to Farmer John about this. I'm gonna get some more information on this box. See if we can get a better opinion. long look here. What do you think? I don't know. Let's chat about this, you guys. I want to hear some comments on this one. I'm kind of curious about a product like this. And I wonder how this would work out for the greenhouse with an electric type of heater. If it would somehow work, it's got a charger, a charge controller. And I keep thinking of ideas to harness the sun for the greenhouse without having to run power to it. So the options with that, you know, for heating it in the cooler nights is that propane thing I showed you, and then we have something like this. But I don't know if this would work. I think it's another thing I'm going to have to talk to Farmer John about. All right, so the price of the Kirkland butter is drastically dropping down. And quite honestly, if you like to bake, really, this is the best butter. I don't know who this is a private label, but I have a feeling that it's one of the higher ends of butter, because this is the best butter that I've ever used. Well worth $11.79. Okay, you guys, I just came in and unloaded everything from Costco. I wanted to give you a quick look at my lettuces and show you how happy they are. I think it's definitely time to put them outside. And these are all of my Snapdragons, but look at my tomatoes. This is only after, I think it's been 5 or 6 days now. So I'm getting almost full germination on everything. And again, I germinated these inside of my little spinach container. So that was back in the other video. So look, everything is growing quite happily. Yeah, so not a lot of really great new interesting things at Costco for the seasonal items. I'm still waiting for those specific grippy gloves. I know that there are several people that I've talked to who wait every year for Costco to get them in, and I usually grab multiple packs, and for last year for whatever reason, I did not. I just have some weird nagging feeling that they're not going to come in this year. I don't really know why. So, but anyway, I mainly only grabbed my normal stuff, my spinach, my avocados, my fresh food, which is why I always go there. But I did grab this beautiful nepeta or nepeta. I'm not really sure how you want to say it. This supposedly comes up very, very blue in the garden. Now, I saw this on some sort of a garden tour in the UK of this beautiful English country garden with all of these herbaceous borders. And nepeta or nepeta is in the catmint family. And I know that it does have the potential to be invasive, but we'll keep a check on it. You know, I only bought one bag of it. But I liked it because it was blue. And in the video that I saw on YouTube, it was this gorgeous blue flower. And right now this year, I'm all about growing blue flowers. So I thought I would give it a try. It attracts hummingbirds. Gosh, look at that. It looks absolutely beautiful. They have so many beautiful, colorful options in Costco right now. When you walk in the door, there's bags and bags of canna lilies, elephant ears, dahlias, begonias, all sorts of stuff. So this one here, I must have went by this stand 5 times circling around. I grabbed a couple things and then put them back because I was overwhelmed. But then something told me to circle back. I had a second bag of elephant ears. I don't know why I'm obsessed with elephant ear bulbs this year, but I put that bag back, and then I saw this and I thought, I remember this from that video, and I think I might have to have it. So I grabbed it and put it in the cart. But the truth of the matter is, there were so many options in there that I wanted to buy, but we're just not really ready to put all of that in the ground. And every time I go buy these things, I say to myself this little saying that I saw on Facebook, which was, we're gardeners. What do we want? We want all of the plants. Where are we going to put them? We don't know. So that is where I'm at. And I'm doing the same thing with seeds. I want all of the seeds. Where am I going to germinate them? I don't know, but I'm trying to figure it out. So The thing that has us slowed down this year with gardening and buying items like this is that we have 3 major areas under construction between the backyard and the front yard where we're creating walkways, beds, borders, all of that sort of thing. So we're just not really ready yet to have it. So this time next year, I will have plenty of planting space. I'll have beds and everything that are completely ready. I'm also obsessed with alliums, giant gladiator alliums. I planted a few of them that I bought from Costco in the fall, where they're starting to come up out of the ground now, but when this fall comes back around, I'll be buying more of those, and hopefully I'll even find more color options to order online somewhere else, but none of that really has too much to do with the Costco Weekly. So, but anyway, guys, if you're looking for these types of flowers still at Costco, they do have a few things. Oh, I also wanted to chat with you about, how could I have forgotten this? Those heater options for the greenhouse. Now, I don't know, I texted John and said, what do you think about this propane heater for the greenhouse? And it seemed like he responded back and said that he might be interested. And then I saw those solar panels, and I'm thinking to myself, could that solar panel really work if there's a charger in there where we can harness the power and perhaps be able to just plug something small in? So we're going to look harder at that, and if that's an option that we're going to explore, we're going to report back to you and let you know what our findings are. But anyway, that's this week's episode of Costco Weekly. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, spam us with some hearts, make some comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.